Wow, Commodore Boone's calling me? It's been a while since I heard that name. It's been a while, it sure has. Maybe he's contacted me to thank me for cleaning up his quarters. That's pretty messy. I don't like a dirty quarters. I like a clean one. Very well. Yeah, okay, well, put Commodore Boone on the main screen, please. Thank you.
Put him on screen.
Captain Shepard, how are you today? Commodore Boone, it's a pleasure. I'm doing fine today. How can I help you? Captain Shepard, you and I have something in common, especially a certain Vulcan ambassador. Wow. Interesting. Yes, Captain, it is interesting. But I also have a friend on Vulcan on the High Command, and he has informed me that Jaffo has refused the Vulcan way and will not be going through the Commodore. Why is that? Well, Jaffo just don't want to do the Vulcan way anymore. He refused the Commodore, and I'm afraid he might be coming after you and I. Are you saying he's coming after you and I? Really? Might be. So he got bent on his shape? Well, only thing I can say is deal with it. Maybe he don't know if he's coming or going. Yep, it sure does sound like it, don't it? What do? We said a word that the Vulcan ambassador didn't like? Really? I can't help but he didn't like it. It's just a word. Don't need to get ticked off about it. Yep, it's really crazy. Well, Captain, keep your eyes and ears open, because you never know who's watching you. Well, I said it before. Jaffo don't know if he's coming or going. Right, but I'd still say, watch your back, because you never know who's going to be coming up behind you. You never know who's watching you. You just don't know what's going on out there. So, keep your eyes and ears, everything open, and just watch your back. Really? What do we do now? Anyway, Captain, you and I need to pull our resources together and find out what Jaffo's up to. Yep, you're right. Maybe he fell on his head again. Captain, it was great talking to you. Thank you for cleaning my quarters. It looks great. Also, like I keep saying, keep your eyes peeled, watch your back, and be aware of your surroundings. Aye, Commodore Boone. Take care of yourself and watch your back. You never know who's watching you. Yeah, just like you said. Captain Duke Shepard, commanding USS JOS, out. Commodore Boone, out.
I have been in hibernation for weeks, days, and possibly months. I have lost track of time. I have kept up with my meditation. I refuse the Commodore. I want to keep the pain. I want to get revenge from the two captains that have said that word to me. That has really angered me very much. And I have learned that one captain got promoted to Commodore, and that would be Boone. I must have revenge. I must have revenge. I must find somebody to help me get revenge for what they did to me. And I've been hearing chattering about the Fringy Trader. And he seems like he gets in trouble now and then. And there might be others that I don't know about. But I will seek out the Fringy Trader. And maybe he might know some other persons that might be able to help me get my revenge over the Federation officers that put me in this predicament. I've been an ambassador for over 50 years. I lived on Earth for 40 years. And maybe that's why I don't want to go through the corridor, because I lived with humans a long time. Maybe I'm turning into a human. But as you see, I have my stuff on here. I'm a Vulcan, not a human. But my blood boils because of what the Starfleet officers have said to me. I must get revenge.
Captain's Log Supplemental. I cannot believe after all this time that the Vulcan Ambassador Jaffo is holding a grudge against Commodore Boone and Captain Shepard. I cannot believe what is going on and what I have been hearing. I'm really concerned on what could happen in the future if this doesn't get solved fast. That's all Commodore Boone needs, is a Vulcan ambassador going off on him for what was a misunderstanding and was thought was resolved, but I guess it is not resolved. Seems to me it's just a little bit too petty for a Vulcan. So hopefully this is not true, but I got a bad feeling it is true. I guess Starfleet Command is going to have to be involved again to resolve this situation. This cannot be happening. So I guess time will tell, and we will see what happens in the near future, but this is just not looking good. Not looking good at all. Captain Mark, commanding the USS Krytek, out.
Admiral Shepard, is that you?
It is not.
It's hard to see. Your transmission is very fuzzy. I told that damn engineer to fix this damn monitor. What is wrong with that engineer? When I get a chance, I'm going to get his agonizer and put him in the booth.
That sounds most uncomfortable. However, I am not Admiral Shepard.
What's your name again?
My name is Sakir.
What's your name again?
I just said, sir. You do have a short form.
What species are you?
I'm a Vulcan.
Oh, great. I got a frackin' Vulcan. I hate Vulcans! I hate them! Because they destroyed my plans to take over the other universe. I was gonna be the Commodore! But unfortunately, I got defeated.
That is most unfortunate that you dislike Vulcans the way that you do. Obviously, sir, your plans were not very well thought out, since you did not take over my universe.
I want Admiral Shepard. Admiral Shepard has seen the communiques from Bullshank. I have their offices bugged. I have a long-range transmission from one universe to the next, so I know what's going on over there!
That would explain a great many things, sir, since you have our communications bugged.
I want to destroy Boone. I want him to croak, die, be done with it.
The odds of you destroying Commodore Boone are highly improbable, sir.
That's why I shaved my beard, to make it look like his.
No, sir, you did not. And to quote a human saying, that's what you get for thinking, sir.
But if anybody else is available, I guess I'll take him. But, dang! Fracker. What am I gonna do? I thought I had Admiral Shepard in my trap beam. But I guess not. Well... Vulcan, maybe I shouldn't do this. Maybe I shouldn't send you back. Because I know the information you learn here, you will tell them what's going on. So we developed something, and I'm going to take as there's going to be a blue beam over your head in a few seconds. And it's going to erase your memory of this event. There.
You may try, sir.
According to the readouts, it worked.
Fascinating.
Beaming you back to where you belong. Never come back here again, Vulcan!
Fascinating.
Who asked you, Vulcan? Who asked you? Oh no. Are you fracking kidding me? Are you fracking kidding me? Oh, crap. The blue transparent beam did not work on that fracking Vulcan at all. His brain chemistry is different than what a human's is. Didn't think about that. Frack! Frackity frack. He's gonna tell everybody over there what happened to him. Frack! Yeah. Frack! Oh, the fracking. Try to do something and you get hung. Felder card. Bunch of Felder card. Now what am I going to do? Well, guess I'll have to get a hold of my scientists and see what we can do to patch this fracking mess up. Frack. Guess I won't be the Commodore.
Security Captain Mark. Imperative I speak to you or another member of Starfleet Command immediately. Something intriguing has happened.
Captain's log supplemental. Commodore Boone recording. I've been sitting in my quarters here for hours and going over what has happened to me. I just don't have a memory of what happened to me. It's just like that I seen a flashing light, and next thing you know, I'm in sick bay, tied down, and lost probably like a couple hours, and can't even think what happened to me. Then I was arrested and put in jail for a while. Then had Commodore Stall do a Vulcan probe on me, and he cleared me of all charges because I didn't do what they said I did. But it still irks me that I just don't get it why this had to happen to me. And I said it before when I got on board USS Ajax that I need to get a hold of my science officer. And maybe he's got other science officers that he can contact and maybe find a real answer. But the one that's really got the big answer, Commodore Stall, is just bugging the crap out of me that I just can't find what really happened to me. Commodore Boone, the bridge.
Yes, Commodore. Bridge here. How can I help you?
Have you seen Commander Sparks around?
Yes, Commodore. Commander Sparks here. How can I help you, sir?
Commander, did you ever find out what really happened to me?
No, I have not. But I do have files, reports that I have been collecting.
Can you please do your research so you can find out what really happened to me? I really like to know. Alls I know, there was a flashing light in my quarters, and I felt light and funny. And I keep hearing something about Mirror Universe now and then. Whatever you find out, let me know. Please contact Starfleet Command and ask for Commodore Stall. He's got all the records when he did a mind probe on me. And I'm sure he'll give you a copy of the records because he wants to keep track of everybody that requests that so he knows who's getting what.
I'll continue to work on the problem, Commodore. Be sure I will find the truth.
Very well.
Library computer.
There's the files
Data
right here.
being
I
received.
do have a record of the temple displacement in a Commodore's quarters and other eyewitnesses that gave me their statements. We will get to the bottom of this. I might have to make a few calls.
Thank you, Commander. Commodore Boone out.
Computer, open Halen frequencies and call Commodore Stall of Starfleet Command.
Commodore Stall, you have an incoming message from Commander Sparks.
I'm getting an incoming call from Commander Sparks. Computer, Commander Sparks, viewer, please, thank you. Commodore Stall, how are you today, sir? Commander Sparks, how can I help you today? Yes, Commodore, I would like to have your copy of your report that you gave to the judges. Ah, Commander, you want the file to Commodore Boone trial. May I ask why? I have been collecting information from crew, from witnesses, talked to Commodore Boone about the experience he has. Be assured, Commander, that Commodore Boone is completely 100% innocent. When I did the mind probe, as I put in a report, that he didn't do what everybody suggested he did. He did not do anything to ship. He didn't do anything to Ruff himself. He didn't do anything to anybody or anything as they assigned him to do. And how there's a temporal displacement in his quarters and now in his mind, which is I find fascinating. Commander, when I did the mind probe, I felt like an entity in his mind, a temporal displacement in his mind from an ultimate universe. Other universe somehow came over here. Must be another, either Commodore or Captain Boone from the old universe that came over somehow to cause mischief. We do have the report of such thing happened to Captain Kirk before. But I'd like to have your file so I can conclude my investigation, if that's possible, sir. Yes, Commander. I'll go ahead and send you the file right now. It's on its way to you. Thank you very much, Commodore Stahl. Most appreciated that you have sent your files over and I received it. Thank you very much. You're very welcome, Commander Sparks. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Please contact me again when you have more time. I'd like to talk to you more about the Vulcan homeworld. Once again, Commodore Stahl, thank you very much for the file. You have a great day, and take care of yourself. And yes, when I find some time, I will contact you and talk about Vulcan. Commander Sparks, out. Take care of yourself, and have a great day. Live long and prosper. Commodore Stahl, out.
And I screwed that up. Glad I did that before dogs started barking. Still in number 15 here. I'm recording and these people's pinging me. Why is that? Captain Shepard, it was great talking to you. And thank you for cleaning my quarters. It looks great. Keep your eyes peeled. Fucking dogs. How's it go with the other one? At least I had one little bark on it. Hey, come on.
Commander. You wish to have the file of Commodore Boone's Hey, this damn thing here really wants to get in your eyeballs. Hey. Woo! You're right in your damn eyeballs. Damn it. Damn it, man. Don't know where you're coming or going. I forget what the fuck I'm supposed to say. With my
I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't figure it out. Oh my god.
Thank you very much, Commodore Stone. Well, I keep saying Stone. It's Stall. Commodore. Forget what I'm supposed to say now. Damn, he getting old.
Yes, Commodore. Captain.
When I did the mind probe, I felt like an entity, like a echo of a different universe. So I'm Commander, when I did my God damn, can't even do it right. So somebody from the other.
Have you seen Commodore's?
Once again, Commodore Stahl, thank you very much for the file. You have a great day, and take care of yourself. And yes, when I find some time, I will contact you and talk about Vulcan. Commander Sparks, out.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Commodore Productions.